Did you know about Google Explore? If you love traveling, this tool is a game changer. Google Explore helps you find the best flight deals based on your budget, flexibility, and preferred travel dates. Let's start by heading to flights.google.com/explore and setting our departure city to Dubai, UAE. But remember, you can always change this to any city in the world. Whether you're flying from New York, London, or Sydney, just enter your home airport and Google Explore will update the results accordingly. Once the map loads, you'll see various destinations with estimated ticket prices, making it easy to spot great deals. To begin, let's explore a trip to Barcelona, Spain. Click on the search bar and adjust the travel dates. If you have flexible plans, select Flexible Dates and choose options like 1-week trip in March or a weekend trip in May to compare prices across different months. If you're looking for the cheapest flights, sort the results by lowest price, and you'll likely see options with layovers. But if you prefer a direct flight, select Non-Stop under the Stops filter, and the results will instantly update to show only direct flights, even if they cost a bit more. Now, let's check flights to Tokyo, Japan for the summer. Adjust the dates to July or August, and you'll see how prices fluctuate depending on the season. If you have a preferred airline, like Emirates or Qatar Airways, you can select it in the airline's filter. You can also adjust the flight time. If you want to leave at night and arrive in the morning, use the Times filter to find overnight flights. Let's try another example. Budget-friendly travel from Dubai to London. If you're open to saving money by adjusting your stay length, toggle between 5, 7, or 10 days and see how the prices change. You can also set a budget limit. For example, if you don't want to spend more than $400, just adjust the price filter, and Google will remove all flights above your budget. Once you find a flight you like, click on it to see details such as layovers, aircraft type, and total travel time. When you're ready to book, select View Flights, and Google will redirect you to the airline's website or travel agencies like Expedia and Skyscanner for final booking. Google Explore doesn't sell flights directly, but it helps you compare all options in one place to ensure you get the best deal. But be careful. Google Explore can get addictive. Once you start browsing, you might find yourself booking more and more trips just to explore new destinations. Where should we explore next? Should we check flights to Maldives for a beach getaway, Switzerland for a scenic trip, or Thailand for an adventure? Comment below and let me know where you'd love to go. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and hacks. See you in the next adventure.